Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate my and talk about my door and key system in fmod with Unreal. I'll just demonstrate it first. Okay, so as you can see, there's a few different sounds linked to this door, and there's also a kind of the door will check whether or not you have this key, and this key is sort of this pick actor from scene because it's a event instance editable. So I can kind of link a key to any door I want. I can copy and paste that around the world. So inside the door blueprint in the viewport, we just got this door, and then there's kind of just these audio components. And we've got a sensor box, and this box will just show the widget whenever you're in that area. Left mouse button, just a prompt to tell you how to open it. So we've got kind of a timeline for the door's actual rotation. So you've got just a line up here where the door's animation is kind of going. The door's just opening. Like the door rotation, and then we've got a few points here that just says when the door is open, or it's like being opened, and then the kind of door, just the creak sound as well. Yeah, and then this is kind of like the start and finish. And in the event graph, we've got the interact function again, which is being used for like the note pickup thing. Just set to left mouse button. We have we've got this variable here, just checking whether or not you have the key or not. So all it is just you literally just pick up that key, and that key is in a different object as well. I'll just find it as well. Key. Yes, you just interact, and this is for the sound, just for the sound of picking up the key, and then it'll just destroy it. And then that's just, again, this is where the interact widget is visible. I have this copy and pasted around this whole project, just for that widget. Yeah, so with this widget, I had a bit of kind of trouble. Like if you like click it, it will show the door needs key, but if you rapidly click it, it will just make a bunch of, it'll create a bunch of these and it won't know which one to destroy. So I've just got it set to a kind of do once. Oh, it's playing the door inaccessible sound, basically on false if you don't have the key, and it'll kind of all do this until you need the key. And we've got on a door timeline, this is just rotating the door. Yeah, this isn't fully working because the only thing is, right, when you there's one sound that plays when you kind of open the door, and I only want that to kind of play once. I'm having a bit of issue with that timeline, but I'll figure that out. So again, right now on these different triggers that I've made, they're just coming off saying the door's being opened, which is just at like 1 or 0 or whatever, and it's just going to play these different sounds, and that's pretty much it for that.